you one of my experience recently in Kerala. So this particular installation, they had a 500 kVA transformer. The building consists of offices and shops. It's like a semi office come shopping complex. 63 amps MCB in a sub-distribution board. So the building owner has given an MCB DB to this particular shop, which was a 63 amps MCB. Plus, additionally, there was a 10 amps single pole MCB for some of his light fittings. Now, this gentleman has connected an air conditioner in this 63 amps MCB. The result which I got is R to P, R phase to earth impedance is 6.52, the fault current is 36 amps, and you can see here the average earth fault current in that MCB was about 35 to 36 amps. Whereas this MCB requires 630 amps to trip within the specific time. So the current which is actually the earth fault current which is flowing is not even, you can see here, this is not even 5% of what is necessary. The current is very, very small. As a result, what can happen is if this air conditioner makes a fault, you can be sure that the result is fire or the result is an accident. The result of this particular study, even if he has got a 6 amps MCB, type C MCB, even a 6 amps MCB cannot trip in this situation. So the installation was so bad. The actual load current was 18 amps, and the phase and neutral he has used 6 millimeter square for the phase and neutral, and for earth wire he has used a 2.5 square mm wire. Why I am showing this is, up to 16 amps. The phase and neutral and the earth, you are supposed to use the same dimension, which is also a violation here. Now, this, from my experience in last 1.5 years, I have tested probably, or not me directly, probably some of my engineers, or we have association with a lot of electrical contractors, or the people, those who are regularly attending our trainings. We ask them to buy the meters, and they are going to their client place and they are doing the testing. And out of this, the results, actually similar result of this shop, it is remaining in hundreds of locations across India. I would say about more than 90 to 92% of our installations, the earth fault protective measures are similar. Means there is no safety at all. It is common in houses, hospitals, and offices. Any insulation failure will result in an accident. Now, this building was inaugurated probably just before the COVID. So they had the electrical contractor, and there is a gentleman to design the electrical system. Then we started interacting with the electrical contractor. The most interesting point is, I'm so sorry to say that the electrical contractor never heard the name. He doesn't know. The word fault loop impedance itself, he never heard, and he never know that this kind of a test exists. This is the situation. So interestingly, for the first time, this gentleman was hearing the particular name, and I feel that almost 90% of the contractors, it is remaining, the situation is same. And then we get in touch with the designer of that particular building. Interestingly, his situation, he told that no, this cannot happen in my building because I designed the building based on the IS 3043. And then when we asked, okay, did you heard of fault loop or fault loop impedance? He told, no, yes, I did as per IS 3043, but he never heard the name fault loop impedance. And this name is written in the standard in IS 3043, 66 places. This name, its definitions, its application are written. In IS 732, about 62 places, fault loop impedance and disconnection times and disconnection methods are explained. But this is unknown to the user. Of course, he is not an electrical engineer, but unknown to the contractor, unknown to the designer. This is the pathetic situation. So the second part, Neither the electricity supply company nor the electrical inspectorate, they have any kind of guideline to tell every owner that you should do this test. This is missing. Please remember that this test has been included in the IS 732 during 1989. Similarly, we were trying to check the PWD manual because somebody told that this is from PWD. Then we tried checking PWD, CPWD manual. Nowhere these measures are included. So basically, our installations are really in danger. The question which I wanted to ask is, who is responsible and who will correct this? So basically,